Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the concept of watching out for stocks that are moving the RSI and MACDs to all-time highs, and the power that is generated sometimes after breakout to all-time highs. So let's take a look at 3 examples and take a look here, and we can see that there was a time here that the stock jumped and moved its RSI to all-time highs, which is somewhere here. Now keep in mind the stock had really moved. The lows here are at just under 20, and by the time it's breaking out its RSI to all-time highs, it is trading at $50. That's a big move. And we can also see around that same time period, so we're talking about this time period here, we see that the MACDs jumped to all-time highs, and here we can see another jump to all-time highs. So let me extend the period here to show that it is consistent that the main MACD was also moving to all-time highs. So that breakout took place, the indicator breakout to all-time highs here, here, and here roughly took place here in the middle of 2013. And you can see that after that breakout of the indicators somewhere here, that we had another move from, let's call it 50s, all the way in a couple of years to the 200s. Or you can even take this initial move here to 100, or the next move to 140. Either way, a big move. The lesson here is when indicators move to all-time highs, something magical can happen to a stock. Let's take a look at another one, HTHT, and we can see for 2017 it's gone in this explosive run. And we can see that if we take a look at our RSI and MACDs, so we're talking about this time period, let's call it here the beginning, let's just call it for 2017. So that time period there, we can see that corresponds with the RSI on the monthly. By the way, these are monthly charts, jumping to all-time highs. And of course, MACDs were well already trading at all-time highs. So at the beginning of 2017, all the indicators are at all-time highs. We can see that for 2017 alone, which is here, the stock goes on another run. Now keep in mind, we can see a breakout after 1 month of rest as we began the year. December was a down month. January, it breaks out. That was most recent buy point. Since then, the stock has not rested for more than a month. So that was the most recent breakout, was at the beginning of the year when all the indicators broke out to all-time highs, and you get a chance of owning part of this move. Let's take a look at DPZ, Domino's Pizza, and here we can see this is a chart snapshot from 04 to 2011, and just want to show you what was going on here. Now the stock had a nice move, big move from the lows of late 08 at about $2-3, and by the time it was middle of 2011 was trading at 24. So you're talking about $2 to 24. That's a huge run. All right, but now take a look at what it was doing sometime in August of 2011, and we can see here RSI jumping to all-time highs, and both MACDs were also trading at all-time highs, so no question about that. So let's take a look at what happened. And so we're talking about August 2011, so somewhere here. And in the 20s, take a look at this move. Stock would go on to trade as high as 200 by 2017. That's a huge move. So if you got any part of this move, and I mean any, you'd be happy. But we can see that the genesis of this move goes back to when it moved to all-time highs in 2011. So that's the moral of this video, that whenever you see an indicator that seems extended but it is moving its RSI and MACDs to all-time highs, be on the lookout, because that could be the setup for a mega move. Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Yes. Mwah.